Hi Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Sagittarius June 1st to June the 3rd. So Sagittarius, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, everyday po mag-release tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. So, take advantage of the readings. Magkaibang reading po yun at nagla-live din po tayo sa Babaylan TV. No? So, kung hindi kayo makachempo sa live sessions, pwede din po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay po? So, Sagittarius, kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong form, no? Dito po sa description box. All you just have to do is either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, follow the instruction, click submit. Or if you want to avail the private reading, nasa description box din po, no? Yung information. Ayan. So, Sagis, I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Sagittarius, magsimula na tayo. So, ang nakikita ko dito parang someone here made a decision and you feel like hindi to para sa akin, no? Baka kasi na-entice lang ako nung una, yun kumbaga na nainganyo ko, it felt so promising, ngayon gusto ko nang bumalik. No, either this is you, Sagis, or your person, it doesn't matter. What I am reading in here is yung pong dynamics, no? At yung nangyayari sa situation. So parang meron ditong nakapag-decide na mali yata yung decision ko, gusto ko nang bumalik sa amin or gusto ko nang bumalik sa partner ko. Marami kong gustong sabihin, marami kong gustong aminin, marami kong mga bagay na dapat kumbaga i-reveal, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Magician. So I feel like at one point in time, meron kang or meron to, either your person na merong decision making na parang sinabi, either sinabi sa iyo hindi ka naman pumayag or sinabi mo hindi siya pumayag, pero kasi nakikita mo yung options or yung opportunity and you made a decision yourself. And I feel like sana nakinig ako, no? Sana pinakinggan ko yung mga sinabi tayo with the Ten of Cups and the Six of Coins. Sana mas nag-focus ako sa amin, no? Whether it is either a third-party options, I'm seeing options, so which means options can be another party, a third-party situation. Whether it is a third party can also be a job, no? As long as nahape, no? Yung energies or attention, no? With the Moon card, the Five of Swords, and the Star, it felt like kung yung person mo na ito, yung gustong bumalik, I think nagtatanong siya, no, na mahal pa rin kaya niya ako? Do I still have a spark, no, katulad ng dati? Wait lang, inom lang ako konti. Ganun pa rin kaya yung nararamdaman niya sa akin, no? Welcome pa kaya ako sa buhay niya, no? Yun yung mga katanungan. I feel like with the Ace of Wands and the Ten of Swords, kasi parang nakikita niya dito na either you already moved on or you're starting to move on, no? So kung either nauna ka nang mag-move on or nagsisimula ka nang mag-move on, ayaw naman niya ding isipin na ginugulo niya yung buhay mo. So hindi niya alam dito yung gagawin. It's either should I approach my person, you know, or should I approach my Sagittarius, or should I wait here, no? For me, for my Sagittarius to approach me, pero gustong-gusto ko nang bumalik sa kanya, no? So ito ang iyong reading for now. Sagittarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So what I am seeing in here is kapwa Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer, Aries, Scorpio, no? Virgo. So this is your reading for now. And Sagittarius, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa live sessions, dito po yung sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. May ibang readings din po tayo. It's a bit of a complicated reading dun sa kabilang channel. Take advantage of things or ways on how to ask questions. And if you want to avail the private reading, nasa description box po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.